Hello people, this is Gaurav and you are watching Credible Freestyle. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to learn Jordan Stall with the help of some basic and informative steps. And this is the clip of the trick which I am going to teach you today. So let's begin this tutorial with the step number 1. Here is step 1, that is our shoulder stall. I've already made the shoulder stall tutorial which is available on Hindi. If you not learned the shoulder stall yet, you can watch my shoulder stall tutorial and you can get that tutorial link in this video's description box below. So in the first step, we are going to watch the two types of shoulder stall. The first one is our original shoulder stall, which is you are watching right now. Here you have to master the ball control over your foot shoal. Without shoulder stall, you are not able to do the further steps of the Jordan stall. So this is very important to master the shoulder stall. Once you master this trick, this will make more easier to learn upcoming further steps. Now you are watching the second type of the shoulder stall, which is little bit advanced than the first one. Here I am taking the support of my hands on my back and controlling the ball over the shoal. And also remember that the ball controlling foot is our using foot and the other is our weak foot, which is known as a non-using foot. So this weak foot is going to use to balance our body on the position of handstands. At the same time, we are also going to control the football over the shoal. So here we are learning that harder part in easier way in our first step. And here we completed 30% of our Jordan stall tutorial. Now we are moving towards step number 2. In step number 2, we are going to learn how to catch the ball on shoal while doing handstand. Here, you have to hold the ball between your calf muscles and thighs muscle. Then you have to push the ball upward direction and simply you have to catch the ball on your shoal. And the same step we have to follow while doing the Jordan stall. Spend some more time to master this step number 2. Once you master this trick, you have completed the 40% of our Jordan stall tutorial. Here we completed the step number 2, now we are moving towards the step number 3, in which we are going to learn how to do handstand for the Jordan stall. Step number 3. First stand in front of the straight wall, then go for the handstand. But here you have to put your weak foot onto the wall and in opposite direction there will be our strong foot. There is another way to understand this, that is you have to keep your strong foot above your head and the weak foot onto the wall. Once you understand how to do handstand for the Jordan stall, now you have to start trying to remove your weak foot from the wall and try to balance your body in this position. And here we completed our 50% of Jordan stall in step number 3. Now we are moving towards the step number 4, in which we are going to follow the things which we learnt in the step number 2. First, hold the ball between your knees, then take the ball between your calf muscles and thighs muscles. After this, you have to go for the handstand position of the Jordan stall. Remember, you have to put your weak foot onto the wall. Now you have to push the ball towards upward direction and catch the ball on your foot shoal. Master the step number 4 and work more harder to control the ball with handstand while taking support of wall. And that's it. We have completed our 75% of Jordan stall tutorial. Now in the step number 5, you have to simply follow the steps of the step number 4. But at the last of this step, you have to take an advanced mental step. That is, you have to try to remove your weak foot or non-using leg from the wall. So in this step, you have to keep trying to control your football, your body on handstand without taking any support. And here finally, we have completed our 90% of our Jordan stall. So last and final step, that is our step number 6. So in step number 6, you have to master the handstand position for the Jordan stall without taking any support. Sometimes you have to face a problem like this. You fall so many times while doing Jordan stall, but you have to keep practicing and give your best. This trick is one of the hardest tricks in football freestyle, but if you keep training and you have will to never give up, then there is nothing impossible for you. So at the last you have to combine all these steps together and make this trick happen, which we called as Jordan stall. And finally, here we completed our 100% of our Jordan stall tutorial. I would also like to say you something about Jordan stall. Number 1, that is you have to keep training this trick in step by step only. It will give you more progressive results. Number 2, don't rush and don't overdoing. You have to keep patience and keep trying. Number 3, if you are getting any trouble, you can watch this tutorial again and solve your problems from here. I hope you guys learned something from my tutorial. If you have any question on Jordan Stall, you can type on the comment section. If you like this tutorial, you can hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more tutorial like this, and do share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching guys. See you all in the next tutorial.